Okay guys, today I've got a bit of an unusual one here for you. This came up for sale in Queensland. It was built by an engineer who wanted to sleep a family of 6 without needing to completely rearrange the caravan. As you can see here, it's got a pop-out front which houses the queen mattress and 4 smaller pop-outs on the right and left housing single mattresses for bunks. It's very unusual to see a 6-person camper in something that's not a pop-up and doesn't have any fabric sides. As you can see here, this is looking onto the queen bed past the kitchen and the lounge on the left. The kitchen on the left, fridge next to that, and a gas cooktop over to the right. Up the back you can see in the centre a full shower ensuite. To the right of that, one bunk room, and to the left of it another bunk room. This is looking at the right hand side bunk room, and this is it all packed away. I absolutely love the ingenuity and thought that went into this. It might not be for you, but to me it's like seeing the inner workings of a watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Bye.